Chat! Chat! Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Ito na naman po tayo sa chat kung saan may tutorial ka na, may course ka na at meron ka pang chat, okay? Bago tayo mag-start, siyempre, alam nyo na, chat muna tayo. The Street Iris Band. So, yung nag-gitara ngayon pala nito kung trivia ay si Mark Sheehan ay namatay na last year sa hindi maintindihan sakit. April 2023. So, 2022, nakarating pa sila ng Manila. Siya pa yung nag-gitara. Yun lang. Start na tayo. So, napaka-basic lang ang unang chord na ito ay G. Pangalawa ay D over F. Kaya lang dito sa C natin, actually wala siyang saktong chord kahit hanapin nyo sa chart. Naka-C ako sa 3rd fret, pero nag-hammer ako sa E minor, yan. So, naka-pluck siya, plucking. Pluck mo siya hanggang pwede naman hanggang 4. Yung iba kasi ganito yung ginagawa. Pero ako, ganito. So, i-hammer mo siya sa number 3 string. Tapos susundan mo yung dalawang string 3 and 2. Ulit. Okay, pasok. Going back to the corner where I saw you that come sleeping bag and I'm not gonna move. So tuloy-tuloy lang siya, no? Ang sa yung pre-chorus niya, napakadali lang na puro ano lang, basic D, basic D, basic D, at basic A minor, at C, ano. Don't one day wake up and see me in your heart that you wonder where all the nerd I could be, thinking maybe you come back to the place that we'll meet. You see me waiting for you at the corner of the street, so I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Balik ulit sa verse. So, pasok na ng second verse. So, please my son, you can stay here. I said, someone waiting for you. Stop this day, a month, you gotta stand ground, even rain or snow. See, chance of mine, this is the place that you will go. Gotta say that. But on one day you wake up and find the show missing me. Your heart had to wonder when all the dirt I could be G. Maybe you came back to the place that will make me my dog. See me waiting for you at the corner of the street. Chorus. Moving. Yung pangalawang chorus. Moving. Nagdadagdag tuloy ng I'm not moving. I'm not moving. So, bago tayo mag-bridge, no? Shot muna tayo, diba? Ayan, pag nakashot ka na, pwede na, okay? So, bridge na tayo. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Bridge, E minor. People talk about a guy with a waiting to go. Oh, see. no hole in his shoe, but a big hole in his war. Pwedeng ganyan. Hindi rin yan. Oh, balik. Maybe I get famous as a man who can be more. Or maybe you want me but see me on the news. You're running from the corner, cause you know it just for you. Stuck ka rito. The man can't be moved. Michael pa rin. I'm the man who can't be moved. Chorus. One day you wake up and find the show missing me. Your heart is stuck wondering whether or not I could be king. Maybe you came back into the place that will meet. You see me waiting for you at the corner of the street, so I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Tuloy-tuloy lang. I'm not moving. So bago natin tapusin yung outro, no? Siyempre, chat muna tayo. Yung huli, diba? Galing ka na ng bridge, diba? So pag umabot ka dito, no? May tama ka na. Babalik na tayo sa babalik tayo ng intro. Verse ulit. Yung unang verse, kukunin mo ulit dalawang beses lang. Going back to the car where I first saw you can come. I'm sleeping bag and I'm not gonna move. So tapos na ulit tayo, no? Salamat ulit. Saan ka pa? Dito ka lang sa paborito mong chord tutorial na meron pang chat-chat. 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 Chat.